Hello, this is Sheikh Nasim Ahmed from Bangalore. I wanted to share my recent experience after attending the trading course in March 2026. Well, I'm a fresher and I always wanted to learn stock trading as it's one of the most difficult and challenging things to do, as it requires a lot of skill, talent, market experience, and most importantly, discipline. That is where I came across the Telegram channel Candletricks. After regularly following up the channel for more than a year, I was confident enough and I reached out to Mr. Kishore sir, the MD of Candletricks, highly professional and well experienced and a knowledgeable person. In my training session, he was very patient, understanding, and always cleared my doubts on the live charts that helped me understand better and widen my knowledge about the stock market. And most satisfying part was learning technical analysis, identifying support and resistance level. Felt like finally learning how to read the charts. His experience, knowledge, and training material available in YouTube is enough for anyone to learn and trade in stock market. And I would highly recommend anyone who is willing to learn can contact Mr. Kishore sir. He is one stop destination for all your questions and queries. That is it from my end. Thank you.